What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, I'm going to show you guys a simple method to go and use and start promoting affiliate offers on Clickbank and start making some easy money. And the method I'm going to show you guys in this particular video, you can go and make some easy money very fast. And this is a simple BlackHat method that anybody can go and do and start earning some free money very fast, starting as soon as today using 100% free traffic. I'm going to show you guys step by step how to go and use this exact BlackHat method so you can go and make money very fast on Clickbank. I recommend that once you start making money with this method I'm going to show you guys in this particular video, you can go and take that money and invest back on paid traffic like Google Ads, YouTube Ads, to go and make a lot more money faster and consistently promoting offers on Clickbank. So the method I'm going to show you guys in this particular video, you can go and make your first $700 plus on Clickbank in this simple BlackHat method I'm going to show you guys in this particular video. I'm going to show you guys a huge traffic source to go and implement it with this exact method to go and actually make a lot of money that's getting up to 500 million visitors every single month. And I'm going to show you guys step by step what to go and do and use the exact method to go and make a lot of money very fast, starting as soon as today. You can get unlimited amount of free traffic. And the method I'm going to show you guys in this particular video is a very simple copy and paste method, and anybody can go and do this from anywhere around the world, as this is also a very newbie friendly method right here. You can go and do this method as well and promote affiliate offers on Clickbank, Digital24, Weather Plus, etc. And it's also very easy to go and implement this method and start getting some results. So that's it, guys. So be sure to watch step by step till the end, as I'm going to show you guys how to go and properly implement this method to go and get a lot of free traffic from this BlackHat method right here and actually start getting some results very fast, starting as soon as today. So that's it, guys. If you're new, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and you're going to find the next time I'm going to post a video that can help you guys start making some easy money online. So I post new videos on how to go and make money on Clickbank, Digital24, Weather Plus, etc. And most of these methods are all 100% free to go and get started. If you're not making your first money online, be sure to go and watch this particular video step by step to the end. Take action on this method and can go and make your first money either promoting products on Clickbank, Digital24 with this exact BlackHat method I'm going to show you guys in this particular video. So that's, guys, also want to learn my most recommended method to go and make money online, the exact method I'm using to go and make money consistently promoting affiliate offers on Clickbank with both free traffic and paid traffic methods. Be sure to go and click the first link in the description. I can go and use the method as well and start making some money online, as many students are using it already and already making some money online with the free and the paid traffic methods I show you guys inside that training. So that's, guys, so let's get into the method. Let me show you guys the exact BlackHat method I can go and use and start earning some easy money on Clickbank today for 100% free without investing any money at all, or without having to create any websites or having any skills. So let's get into the video, guys. Okay, guys, so let me show you guys what to go and do from here and promote these offers with this BlackHat method and start making some easy money very fast. So the first step from here is I'm going to choose an offer on the Clickbank affiliate marketplace that's converting very well. I'm going to use it with this exact method I'm going to show you guys in this particular video. So if you go from here, you can start, for example, by Gravity. You're going to find a lot of offers from here that are actually converting very well. So you're going to look for an offer that has a gravity of at least 10 and above. You know that many people are promoting that offer and they're actually making money. They can go and promote that affiliate offer as well. For this exam method I'm going to show you guys in this particular video, I'm going to use a different niche than these other ones from here. I'm going to look for a niche that doesn't have a lot of competition. I'm just going to type, for example, woodworking. Right, for example, woodworking right here. For example, woodworking, and click on search. You're going to find a lot of woodworking projects that you can go and promote and actually make a lot of money. Most of these products actually convert very well, but it doesn't have a lot of competition. Once I start, for example, woodworking, I'm just going to start by Gravity. It's going to show me the top products that are selling very well in this particular category from here. You can see right here, this one is called My Shed Plants. You can see it has a gravity of up to 74. I can see many other offers from here. What I can do is I can also type, for example, wood, it has only wood, and click on search. You're still going to find a lot of other products. And see, this one is called Ted's Working. This product has been converting very well on the Clickbank affiliate marketplace for a very long time, and it's a great product to go and promote and actually make a lot of money. If you check out the sales page of the offer, you're going to see that this is a simple woodworking project and doesn't have a lot of competition, but it actually converts very well for a very long time from here. It has a gravity of up to 154 and it's going to pay you up to $63 per sale. I can also go and make some money in recurring revenue and also in the upsells. You can see you can go and make up to $125 for just one person that's going to buy this offer from here, and this offer also have very low refund rates. So let's go to the sales page of the offer from here. You can see it's going to give people up to 16,000 woodworking plants, and this is going to be very good for the audience that are going to promote this affiliate offer too. I can see there are a lot of testimonials from here. It's going to help us to go and get a lot more conversions when we are promoting this offer right here. So you can see right here, it has a lot of different woodworking plants. So go to the affiliate support page from here. You can go and find out a lot more information about promoting this offer. You can see promote the highest converting woodworking product on the internet, so it's actually selling very well. So I see the entire funnel. You're going to earn up to 75% commission on the entire funnel. I go right at the bottom. You're going to see the entire funnel from here, so you're going to make a lot more money in the upsells. Once you go to the affiliate support page from here, you can go and find a lot more information from here on selling this product. If you go right at the bottom, you're going to see some tools that you can go and use and promote this offer right here. So let's go right at the bottom. I can see from here, you click on this, it will take you to a resource page. You can go and find a lot of tools to go and promote this offer right here. I'm going to use some of these tools right here to go and promote our affiliate offer. So you can see they have a lot of tools from here that can help you to go and promote this offer very easily. We're going to click on this pre-sale and review articles. So let's click on this. I'm going to see some articles that are already done for us that you can go and use and promote our affiliate offer. So let's just click on this one for example. So let's click on the first one. And as you guys have been downloaded, if I open this, you're going to see an article that they've already taken the time and they've already written for us. They can go and use and promote this affiliate offer very easily. And I'm going to show you guys what to go and do from here and start making some money. So the next step from here is you're going to go right to this website called Quora.com. So you're going to go to Quora.com and you're going to go and create a free account on Quora.com. We're going to promote this on Quora.com. So pay very close attention on this BlackHat method I'm going to show you guys in this particular video that can go and use and actually make a lot of sales. So let me go to Quora.com. So let me go to Quora.com and let me show you guys exactly what to go and do on Quora.com. Once I sign up for a free account on Quora.com, you're going to be able to go and create spaces on Quora.com. So click on this. Once you click on this spaces, you can see from here, you can go and see all spaces on this website right here. You can see there are a lot of spaces on this website. You're going to click on this, see all spaces. And as you guys want to click on see all spaces, you can see from here, create a space. So it's going to enable you to go and create a group on this website right here. So pay close attention from here. Click on create a space. And you're going to create, for example, a woodworking space or any space depending on the product that you're going to be promoting from here. So you're going to write, for example, woodworking, for example, best woodworking projects. And that's guys, that can be the name of your space from here. And for a description, you can go ahead, for example, learn the best woodworking projects, for example, learn. And that's guys, you can go and write a very simple description from here and click on create. It's going to create you a space on Quora that can go and post a lot of content and actually get a lot of views from here. So let's click on skip. And that's guys, going to take you to your space and you can go and create content inside here and actually invite people to this space from here. So let me just click on skip right here. And that's guys, so this is inside my space from here that I can go and post a lot of content from here without having any problems at all, because I'm going to be the admin of this particular group right here on Quora.com, and any link that I'm just going to go and post in this particular space from here is not going to get deleted on this space because I own this space and I'm the admin of this space from here. So what I can do from here is I can go and put contents from here, go and write a lot of articles about working in this particular space from here, and I'm going to show you guys what to go and do from here next. So pay very close attention. So you can see from here, click on add content to your space, click on this, you can go and create a post. And as guys, you're going to create a post from here and going to have links back to your Clickbank affiliate offer. So let's just copy this one right here. So let's copy all of this. Let me just copy this affiliate offer inside this entire article from here, and I also recommend that you can go and download some woodworking images and upload it inside your article from here. So you see from here, you're going to change all these links from here back to your own affiliate link. I recommend that you can go use a simple landing page like Linktree to go and link people back to your affiliate offer from here, so that your links are never going to get blocked on Quora. But since you already have your own space on Quora, your links are not going to get blocked right here. If you're answering, for example, an equation on Quora and you put, for example, Linktree link, your links are going to get blocked. But you have your own accounts and have your own space, your links are not going to get blocked inside your own space. So by the end, you're going to write a simple call to action like this to go and actually promote your offer. So you can see from here, you're going to click on this. For example, click here to learn more, click here to learn more, to get, for example, to get Teddy rocking. And that's the guys, you can go and add a link back to your affiliate offer from here, and people can go and click from here and go back to your offer on Quora.com inside your Quora space from here. Add a link from here, you're going to select this. You're going to select this right here, select this. Once I've selected this, you're going to click on this right here. I'm going to choose on link. And that's guys, you're going to paste the URL of your link from here. You're going to go back, for example, to Clickbank. So let's go to Clickbank right here. We're going to get our affiliate link. I'm going to input it right here inside our space. So input your affiliate ID, tracking ID. You can go right, for example, Quora. So that, for example, Quora. And that's guys, I'm going to go and copy this and input it inside my space right here, and my links are not going to get blocked because this is my own space right here on Quora. So paste it right here, but I recommend I can go and use a simple landing page like Linktree. So click on enter, and as guys can go and change all these other links from here inside this article right here. You can go and change all these links right here to your own affiliate link from here. So let me select this one. You can just go back right here and click on this, change the link, and as guys can go and input my own link inside it. So I'm click on link, paste my own link, and click on enter, and that's going to be my link. Next, you're going to click on post. It's going to be posted on your group right here, on your space right here on Quora. You can go and also invite people to go and join your group from here. So let me just close this one right here. I can see this is a post on Quora.com. So you can see here is a post from here. It's going to have links back to our affiliate offer from here, and these links are never going to get blocked because this is inside your own space right here. So once I've created a very simple article from here like this, next you're going to go and create a second account on Quora. So you're going to create the first account, you're going to create a space right here on the first account on Quora, and you're going to create a second account on Quora, and you're going to log into the account inside a new browser. So pay very close attention right here. So the thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the second account, and you're going to ask questions on the second account, and you're going to go and answer the questions on this first account right here. You're going to answer the questions on the second account, and you're going to send people to this particular article right here. You're not going to send them to your affiliate offer. You're going to send them to this article right here. So let me show you guys an example. The type of questions that you're going to be asking right here on Quora. You can see right here on the first account, that you have created, you're going to be asking this type of questions. On the second account that you have actually created this article right here, like this one, you're going to be answering the questions and sending people to this article right here that you have created inside your own space on Quora. So you're going to write, for example, how can I start woodworking? You're going to ask this type of questions. How can I make money from woodworking? How can I learn woodworking? For example, what is the best woodworking course? So you're going to answer all these questions from here and send people back to your article inside your space, so your links are not going to get blocked. So let me show you guys an example. So let's say, for example, this is your first account. You're going to write, for example, click on add question. I'm going to write, for example, how can I make money from woodworking? Or for example, where can I learn woodworking? Let me just copy this. And that's, guys, you're going to write a very simple question like this. So let me just paste this right here. So let me just paste this right here. So let me just paste it right here. For example, where can I learn woodworking? And that's, guys, you can go and add a question. So you can also see from here, you can see there's an option from here that you can go and include a link back to this article right here as well. So I'm going to copy this link. So go to this article from here. So you're going to go to the first account. You're going to also go and copy this link. So click on this. You're going to click on this, click on share. Once you click on share from here, you're going to copy that link. Copy the link to this article from here, right here. Next, you're going to go, once I've asked a question, you're going to click on this, include a link that gives context. You're going to paste the link from here. So anybody that's going to go and view this question from here, they're also going to go and see your content. They can go and click and go back to your space on Quora. So click on add question, and as, guys, your question is going to be added, and you're going to go to the next account, and you're going to go and answer the questions from here. So from here, you can just go and choose any of this from here. I'm just going to click on done, and that's, guys, going to take me to the next page from here that I can go and ask my question very easily. So let me just keep all of this. And that's, guys, my question has been asked right here on Quora. I can see right here, this is also my link from here. If anybody go and view this question from here and click on this link, it's going to take them straight back to my space with my article right here that have links back to my affiliate offer from here. So what you're going to do next, they're going to go to the second account. You're going to copy the URL of this answer right here. You're going to go to the URL. You're going to copy the answer. So let me click on this. You're going to copy the URL of this question from here. Copy the URL. You're going to go to your second account that you have created the article. You're going to write a very simple answer from here. Then you're going to link people back to that same article right here that you created on Quora.com. So let me show you guys an example. So let's say, for example, this was your question from here. So let me just click on this one. So let's say, for example, this was your question from here. You're going to go to your second account and go and click on answer. Once I click on answer, you're going to write a simple answer from here that you can just go and Google. You can go and Google and find this particular answer very easily. So you're going to write a very simple call to action by the end of your articles. Like if you want to go and learn how to go and get up to 16,000 woodworking projects, be sure to go and click here. So let me write as an example. If you want to. So that's, guys, you're going to write a very simple call to action like this by the end of all your answers from here. And what you're going to do is you're going to link people back to that other article right here on this website. So your links are not going to get blocked inside from here. So anybody can go and click from here and go back to your affiliate offer. Once I've written a very simple answer like that one, you're going to click back right here, click on this share. You're going to copy this link. I'm going to go and link it in all of your answers from here. So let me just select this. Let me just select this, for example, select all of this. And that's it, guys. You're going to click on link. You're going to paste that link right here. And that's it, guys. Your answer is going to be saved. You're going to click on post. Your answer is going to post from here, but you're going to take a lot more time to go and write a longer answer right here. So that's, guys, you're going to link people to go and go back to your Quora space from here, so that your links are not going to get blocked. So that's, guys, it's very easy. All you're going to do, you're going to go to your first account. So you're going to ask a lot of questions from here. You're going to go back to the second account. So you're going to answer the questions, and you're going to send people to the article on your Quora space to go and get a lot of traffic. What you can do is you can go and answer, for example, 5 answers every day. If you do, for example, for 3 days, you're going to get a lot of traffic to your article right here inside your space, and many people can go and click from here and go back to your affiliate offer, because your links are not going to be blocked inside this space right here, because you're the admin of this particular space right here. So that's, guys, so a simple method you can go and use and start making some easy money very fast right now on Clickbank for 100% free by doing this simple BlackHat method of showing guys in this particular video. Many people are doing this already and they're already making a lot of money. I can go and take advantage of this as well and start making some easy money fast on Quora with 100% free traffic. If you found value in this particular video, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to find the next time I'm going to post a video that can help you guys start making some easy money online. So take action on this method and start making some money. I'm going to see you guys in the next video.